the surface area of this box. We're going to call her Betty box. So Betty has a green end and a green end that's the same. She has a purple side and another purple side that's the same. And then her top and bottom makes 6. We have 6 sides, but they're not squares, they're all rectangles, okay? So if we take the sides off of Betty box and look at our net, we see that we have the 2 purple sides, the 2 green ends, and the 2 blue, which is top and bottom. So now we need to find the surface area of Betty the box by looking at the net, okay, looking at her sides. So I've got 2 purple sides. So I'm gonna draw them here on a sheet of paper. So I've got 2 purple sides. I've got the short ends, and I've got the big top and bottom, which are blue. Okay, so the purple sides, when I measure it with my ruler, we're gonna use inches. Okay, so if we take a look at this purple edge in inches, we see that it is 4.5. So this purple box is 4.5 inches long, which also means that this edge of the blue now, because this is 4.5 inches long, it's also 4.5 inches long. Now let's measure this green side in inches. So we measure the green side, and he is 3 3/4 inches long. So he's 3 3/4 inches long. And then we're gonna measure how deep he is in inches. And you see we come up with 2.5, which means that's 2.5 on this side. So I've got 3/4, 4.5, 2.5. So I'm missing a measurement for the blue. So one side of him was 4.5, and then the other side is going to be 3 3/4. So this is where we're going to pause and take a look at the 3D image again. Okay. So we've got this edge is 4.5. Okay, so this is 4.5, which is the length on the purple box and the length on the top and bottom face. This one's 3 3/4 long, 2.5 inches high, which means that this is 3 3/4 along this side as well. So now we just have to find the area of each one of those pieces. So 4.5 times 2.5